Hey guys, I just picked up this new Vantop 4K dash cam. So this dash cam is HF612L. So it has a front and rear camera. Let's install this and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so I just mounted a Vantop dash cam 4K. So I hook up sorry about that. So this is the GPS right here, rear view camera, and the power. So what I did is I hardwired the wires. So even though my truck is off, my dash cam is still recording. So as you can see right here, my key is off. Put the key right there. See, and my dash cam is still on. So it gives you the mileage, your time, your date here, and once you swipe it, right now it's recording, even though that's like it's in park mode right now. So right here is your rear, and sorry. So this is my rear, this is my front, my rear, and these are the two, front and rear. And the best thing about this, so I put it into 2K, so 2K for the front and 2K for the rear. And when you go to setting, you can adjust to be like, if you tap on this first one, it say 2K, 2K, so then 2K from the front, 2K from the rear. And if you press again, it say 4K front and 1080 from the rear. So it'll record 4K from the front and 1080 to the rear. You can change that to be, it's running a little bit slow. So right there, I changed it to 2K, 2K. I like that feature better. And this is for the loop, like how much, like how fast, like how long the video you want it to be, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. So I picked 3 minutes because it'll be easier for me to find. And time lapse, I turned that off. And record audio off, but I turned that on, so just in case if I bring my truck into service, if they say something, I can listen in. G sensor, so G sensor, that's like if the truck is moving left or right, or if something touch it, it'll record it. And the park guard, so the park guard, that's like if the truck is being parked, and then if someone hit the truck, it will record a few seconds before that. Until then, license plate, screensavers, video encoders, I put H265 because H265 is most common. 60 frame. USB, so USB is if you plug it into your computers using dash cam, plug it into your computers, you press on this and then it'll automatically turn on USB mode. So it'll say please connect it to PC. Key audio, so key voice on, key voice off. I don't like how every time you click it, it'll make that sound, so I hit off. Speakers, so I put medium, not too loud, not too small. Boot sound, so I had that off because whenever time that's like a Vantop, power on, it said Vantop, but I have it off so that it doesn't say that sound. Your language right here, and you have your date and time, so you can so then you can adjust it. You can adjust it to a military time, or you can adjust it to a regular time. And then for the date, so I leave it like that and slide it down, and you have your format and your speech recognition, GPS, time zone, speed, calibration, speed unit. So speed unit, you can do kilometers or miles. So I have it for mileage, and once you go back here, and then once you go back there, swipe it to from the left to the right, and it'll pull up all of the recording that's like it has. So this is all of the recording, and you can click on it to play it like this. See right there, and then it automatically plays, just in case if someone hit, just in case if someone hit you, then you can actually show the cops that video. And then if you see something on the road, you can manually record by hitting that red button. It'll automatically record it. And then if you want to, and right here, this the lock key. The lock key, if you wanted to save, if you want the dash cam to save that recording, to save a certain recording that just happened, you click on that, and then it automatically put it to the side, and then it will not override it. So right here, so as you can see, the key is out, but the dash cam is still on. So what I do is, though, I turn off the display, even though that's like the dash cam is still on. See, I press power again, it's still on. So I wire up to right here, go through there, go under there, and then I wire it right underneath here. I hardwire in there instead of going through with cigarette lighters. So what I do is I bought a cigarette outlet, and then I also bought a fuse in between, so just in case if something go wrong, it blow the fuse and it doesn't damage the dash cam. So this dash cam, I bought it for 200 bucks, and overall I pretty much love it. Oh, and then you have your USB right here, a micro USB up here. Just press it down, and then the USB go up, and then you grab that, and then you bring it into your computers, plug it in, and you can watch all the recording. Overall, I do like it. So let me show you this. So this is the front, right? So you take this camera, you take this lens up the front, and then you can adjust it however you want. So like that. So even though if you move this like right here or right here, you can adjust your lens the way that's like you want, like that. There we go. So move it the way that's like you want it to be, and then you can adjust it, your lens, like that. And for the rear, so the rear what I have for setup is pretty weird. So I'm guessing later on I'm going to plug it right next to my license plate, but right now I'm just leaving inside on top to be recording out, because like if I'm hauling a trailer, I can see how the trailer move or something. But you can also hotwire it to your reverse camera, and when you put it into reverse, this one can also show you in reverse camera. But in order for that to work, I need to mount it right next to my license plate for that to work. Other than that, I pretty much love it. It's pretty nice for 200 bucks. It's not bad, and recording 2K, even though it say 4K. It say 4K because it has 4K up front. And then, but that's up to you if you wanted to do 4K up front and 1080p on the back. But I do 2K, so 2K from the rear and 2K from the front. I'll take that rather than 4K front and then 1080p, because 1080p to the back is going to be blurry. But yeah, other than that, I pretty much love the dash cam. It's pretty nice. So let me know what you guys think. And if you guys new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. That will pretty much help me out and help out supporting the channel. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.